Hey, good morning. Out of Las Vegas, we drove last night to Salt Lake City. We now are here with a customer, checking out their use case, making some videos with Staker Parson out here. Super looking forward to meeting them. It was a bit of a short night. There were some early meetings this morning and we just arrived late. So really looking forward to look at the use case, seeing the customer. And yeah, we will take you with me and check it all out. Looking forward to it. We arrived at the pit Staker Parson. We're now heading out in one of these super cool vehicles. All right, so we arrived at the pit with Staker Parson right now. We had a little tour already, and now we're waiting for the wheel loader currently to show up, and then we're gonna film a few sections. It's a massive pit where they are producing a lot of their gravel and stuff for concrete and asphalt. They're also recycling asphalt over here, so really nice to see. It's like a pit of the size that does not exist in the region where we live in Austria. So for us, it's super fascinating to see it. And yeah, let's have a bit of a look around and let's see what we will see. So I'm here with Jeff, surveyor at one of the bigger contractors here in the Salt Lake Valley, is that right?
Yep.
Cool, so we are here in your pit. If I got it right, it's Back Street Pit?
Back Street Pit, yep.
So what are you doing here, Jeff?
I'm here to show off how the Sodex scanner can help us on the construction side and the aggregate side. Right now we've got this scanner set up on the north end of our pit. And as you can see around us, we've got material moving everywhere. The crusher's running off the belts. We've got aggregates going to asphalt. We've got aggregates going to the concrete plant. And then we've also got outside sales where material's going outside. So the loaders are just busy bees running around the job site all the time, right? The piles are growing, getting smaller, belt scales, whatever you call it. It's good to be able to have a live count of stuff instead of a snapshot in time where we normally get that with the flights.
You want to see the entire interview that we were doing at Staker Parson's site and learn about all the insights, then you can click here or there or wherever that link will show up for you guys. Quite some action over here. I love it. We're looking at the dashboard of our software where basically all the inventory that we saw before and our wheel loader is now streaming from the system directly into the cloud, so we can see live inventory as well, so volume, tons, etc. directly from the machine while mapping the piles. So, it's actually my butter. So, good morning from Denver. We were flying in yesterday from Salt Lake City. We didn't really give a final statement on Friday, but we were out for lunch with our customer after the video shooting, and then basically everybody was pretty exhausted. So we were just staying at the hotel Friday, and also on Saturday, yesterday, we had a late flight here to Denver. We were just staying for like another few hours, and then we were leaving to Atlanta, visiting more customers Monday and Tuesday, and yeah, looking forward to it. For all the Europeans who did not know, Denver is at 1,609 meters in height, so higher than most of Austria, so they have mountains here in the States. Darf nicht zwinkern? Ja, nur der Zwinker, that is okay. So we're at the airport now and heading to the gate here in Denver. We will be traveling to Atlanta, arriving at like 6:30 p.m. tonight. And then tomorrow we will be with our reseller TerraWise Solutions in Georgia and seeing how our customers are using our technologies there. Really looking forward to it. Also really looking forward to meet Steven and Reed again, working for TerraWise, selling our solutions. So yeah, see you later in Atlanta or maybe at the gate. So, we're listening to some traditional Austrian music here in our rental car, already out of Atlanta, on our way to Athens, not in Greece, but in Georgia. Yeah, we should arrive in the hotel in about 15 minutes, getting some dinner after that, and then yeah, really quick, go to bed to be ready for our on-site visit tomorrow with TerraWise Solutions, and yeah, see you tomorrow. Good morning from Georgia. So we're heading to the site currently. We had a nice start, lots of fun already at breakfast. So really looking forward to be back on site today with TerraWise. You remember that from yesterday, or like 30 seconds back in that vlog. But yeah, we're listening to some Austrian podcast right now. Great mood. Looking forward to be on site. See you there. So we're here now in Georgia with our dealer TerraWise. We're visiting our customer today, FM Kitchens. But first of all, good morning, Steven. Feel free to introduce yourself and your company, please.
Yeah, I'm Stephen Bridges with TerraWise Solutions. I'm the president here. We've been a positioning products dealer since 2002.
Perfect. So, and you're also a Sodex dealer for quite some time now. You were our first dealer here in the States. So tell us, why did you decide to take Sodex into your portfolio?
Well, I just saw it as a really unique product to bring to the market. You know, we didn't have anything else like it. You had to have a drone operator, somebody who's really familiar with manipulating point clouds using supercomputers. This was kind of the easy button on site.
So you saw it, then we met last year, we did some demos together, then you decided to go with us and continue demoing our solution, selling our solution. How was your experience so far? What do customers like about it?
What they like about it is it's the easy button. You know, can you operate a machine? Yeah, we're already doing that. Can you run a side by side in this case? Yeah, I think we can handle that. The data all shows back up in the office, and they're good to go. So that's been the biggest thing. It's just the ease of adoption.
Looking into the future, where do you see Sodex like in 5 years?
I see it being just kind of a standard. The whole thing of capture it with the machine. Why not capture data live? You know, we want everything instant now. We want to see the news instantly. We want to see our feeds instantly. Well, we want to see our data from our job sites instantly. So let's make it just standard practice to capture the job while we're working.
Perfect. Thank you, Steve.
Yeah, thank you, Ralf. Always a pleasure.
If I were you, I would love to learn more about what I have been talking with Steven in Georgia. So click the link wherever it will show up here on this page and watch it. We're done shooting here with our customer FM Kitchens together with TerraWise. It was a great experience, like beautiful job site. You will see it in a video anyways. But yeah, here is the system. We had a great day, or like great morning. And yeah, we will soon jump back into the car and head to the next place where we'll shoot tomorrow. See you later. Good morning, last day here in Georgia and in the States for now at least. We're heading to the construction site right now. It's a sunny morning. And yeah, we're gonna see TerraWise Solutions again. And let's see what kind of site we will see today. Good morning. So we're here in Georgia on a United Grading site together with TerraWise again. So Reed, you're the aerial and terrestrial LiDAR scanning specialist at TerraWise Solutions. Just introduce yourself real quick and what are you doing in your day-to-day business?
Day-to-day, so the terrestrial side of it is the Sodex, training customers, doing demos for them, explaining the product to them and why they need it.
So you're new to the construction industry and also like that kind of technology is new, but still I think you can give a good insight on how working with our technology is and like what's your experience so far?
It's easy, it's turnkey. You push a button and a bunch of colors pop up on the screen and you're getting data and you stop scanning, that's it. It's super easy to set up, training customers is easy, support calls are easy, going over the cloud features are super easy.
What do customers like about that kind of data capturing?
They like it over the drone because of all the problems that drones have. That's what I've seen. A lot of our customers are buying these over the drones because they've already got one. Their pilot's left for whatever reason, and their drone's collecting dust, and they have to train someone on their software. As opposed to this, it's all cloud-based. You go out and you scan. There's no license involved. Can you drive a side by side? That's it.
And also here, like the interview with Reed is super interesting as he's working with our technology a lot. So click on the link, which will be here or here. Nobody knows, but you will find it. That was our interview with Reed. So we're still here in Georgia on the United Grading site. We will capture some data now and have fun. So that's like your normal workflow. You're just coming out here and then drive the site?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So I do all their GPS and all the Sodex. So what I'll do is, like, unfortunately today we had a little bit of a mishap with the GPS, not your system, just the GPS not being at the right location. But normally, yes, I just come straight out, I'll set it up, check my localization files, make sure that I'm where I'm at, unload and start scanning. So I just want to say thank you for your team, for everything y'all have done. This is a phenomenal setup, a phenomenal addition to not only construction and surveying and grading. It has made our lives so much simpler. The data output, the information that it gives us in such a short time is phenomenal. It's been a blessing to be a part of this. Can't wait to see what you guys do in the future with additional data updates. So I do appreciate it. United Grading loves it. We're thankful for you guys and TerraWise for turning it on to us, Reed and Steven. Y'all guys, it's been phenomenal. So again, thank you so much for such a wonderful product.
So we're now done here in Georgia and on our way to the airport. We had a really nice morning with Heath. I spent like an hour with him in the side-by-side, just traveling around, learning why he loves our system and why it's his main tool that he's using day by day. He told me like his truck never is without his side-by-side and our system on top anymore. He just keeps driving around with it because sometimes he just randomly has to capture data. So yeah, it was a really exciting morning. He told us about the benefits over drones with Sodex and stuff. So we learned a lot. We got some really nice shots. And now we're on our way to the airport. Probably gonna check in with you one more time back there. I'm sorry. And then, yeah, heading home. See ya. So that's it. We're in Newark now, boarding our flight to Zurich in about 2 hours. It was great to having you on this trip with us. And see you soon back in Austria or somewhere else in the world. But thanks for watching and see ya.